The moon. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It travels around Earth in a path called an orbit. One orbit around Earth takes about 27 days. The moon is much smaller than Earth. About 50 moons could fit inside Earth. The moon has no air and no liquid water on its surface. The moon does not produce its own light. It reflects light from the sun. This is why the moon shines at night. The moon is about 384,000 kilometers from Earth. It is the closest object to Earth in space. Scientists study the moon to learn more about the history of our solar system. The moon affects the oceans on Earth. Its gravity helps create tides. High tides and low tides happen every day because of the moon's pull. Humans first walked on the moon in 1969. It remains one of the most famous objects in the night sky.